How many of you have heard about the quarantines? As a licensed cosmetologist or hairdresser, I don't normally support people doing their hair at home, especially with professional products. But in light of the recent crisis, I would like to teach others how to professionally and safely apply hair color to their hair or someone else's in the comfort of their home. First, you need to look at all your supplies and your tools. You need developer and a tube of color. You need a mixing bowl and a brush. You will need a measuring cup for your developer, and you will need the proper draping for your client along with clips. The proper draping would be a towel, then a cape, and then another towel to protect your client's skin from the chemicals we're using. I have gloves on right now, and I also have a smock on. This is to protect me from the chemicals that I'm using. The client's hair is currently separated into 4 quadrants. We have a quadrant on the side here, from the top of the head to the back of the ear. We have a quadrant in the back, from the top of the head to the back of the neck, right down the center. Another quadrant, the exact opposite on the other side, so from the top of the head to the back of the neck. And then from the top of the head to the back of the ear again, we have another quadrant. So now that the hair is sectioned and clipped up, we can start on our process. We need our color, we need it mixed, and our color should be whatever ratio is on the color bottle. So the ratio for this color is 1:1. You're looking for a symbol like this. This means that for every 1 ounce of color, you have 1 ounce of developer. This is developer. This is basically, it looks like conditioner, but it is the activating ingredient for the color. Now that I'm ready and my color is mixed up in the right ratio, I'm going to apply the color to her hair. I have a section already completed, and it is out of the way. So what we're going to use is slices, horizontal slices through the hair that are 1/4 to 1/2 inch sections. So they're small, thin sections. We're going to take our clip that we have right here, and we're going to gather the hair, and we're going to make a horizontal line through the hair in the back right section and pull down a line of hair. We're going to gather the rest of the hair, twist, and we're going to clip that out of the way. This is the hair that we're currently working on. We're going to take our brush with color on it, and we're going to apply the color to the root or the scalp on the top of the hair, and we're going to lift the hair up and we're going to apply on the bottom at the root. Then we're going to place our hand under the hair strands that we have that we're working on right now, and we're going to apply the color from the roots that we already got all the way to the ends. Grabbing more color when we need it. You want to be sure to use enough product. Saturation is key, and that is basically the thoroughness that you cover the hair strand. We want all the hair strands to be covered in product and to look wet and have the color on every spot. If you leave a spot blank, then that hair will be the hair that you started with. It will not get colored, it will not process. All the hair should now be wet with product, and you can get that out of the way, and you can move on to your next slice. You take your clip out, you slice across horizontally. Remember, it's 1/4 to 1/2 inch section, so it's a thin section. You're going to gather the rest of the hair, twist, and put that away. And we're going to repeat these steps on all of the sections. So you're going to start in these back 2 sections. Do this one first all the way to the top of the section. Do the next back section, and then do the front sections. It doesn't matter which one you start with. So again, we're going to apply to the root on the top and the bottom, And then we are going to continue applying the product. This would be called the mid-strand, and then the ends. A tip for applying hair color: if you're worried about a brown or any color getting on the client's skin around their hairline, on the top of their ear, or the back of their neck, you can apply Vaseline to their skin, and that ensures that later, if there's color on their skin, you can just wipe it away. The Vaseline will protect their skin. So these steps are continued all through the head. Like I said, in this section, then this back section also, and then the front two sections. I'll show you one more time really slowly so we can get every single step. Unclip the hair, make a slice, gather the hair and clip it away, apply the product to the roots on the top and the bottom. And then we're going to support the hair with our hand, and we're going to apply the color on the mid-strand, and we're going to apply the color on the ends. We have a piece out right here. Make sure we get that. All right. That process is repeated all over the head, and when that is finished, then the application is finished. A stylist would then set a timer for the time allotted on the tube, and then rinse the hair and style the hair. That would be in a salon, so she will rinse her hair and then do whatever, style it at home, and this is a safe practice. So I hope to teach you how to safely and professionally apply hair color so that you can get salon grade results in your home.